Guys, in today's class, I am going to find the value of sin theta plus tan theta in trigonometry. So, for solving this, first I am going to take these two terms, that is secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, we know that secant theta can be written as what? 1 divided by cos theta. Similarly, tan theta can be written as what? Sin theta divided by cos theta. So, I am going to apply these two terms in the place of these two. Therefore, this equation becomes 1 divided by cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Is it? So, which is equal to, so here denominator is same. So, numerator get added for 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. So, in order to make every term as sin theta, because we know only the sin theta value, so by using that we are going to find the secant square theta plus tan square theta. So for that I am going to change this cos theta in terms of sin theta. For that there is a formula between sin theta and cos theta. What it is? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 is the formula. Is it? We know already. It's the most familiar formula in trigonometry. So, I need only cos theta. So, I am going to keep that cos square theta in left side and I am going to move this towards right side. Therefore, 1 minus sin square theta. So, here we didn't have sin square theta. Here we have only cos theta. So here only we have cos square theta. But what we have here? Cos square theta. If you want to remove a square, what do you have to do? Take square root on both sides. So now taking square root on both sides. Okay? Both sides. Okay? So I am going to take square on both sides, square root on both sides. Therefore, the square and root get cancelled. So now I get like this. Therefore, cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. So if you see here this 1 square can be written as 1, right? So therefore 1 can be written as 1 square. So this is in the format of a square minus b square. So the a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. Is it? So just apply this formula in the place of this. Therefore, this become cos theta is equal to root of 1, a is 1 plus b is sin theta. Similarly, 1 minus sin theta. Okay. So just I am applying this formula. Therefore, this become like this. So this become like this. So we know that root a b can be written as root a into root b. Is it? So now I am going to apply this formula in the place of these two. Therefore, this become cos theta is equal to root of 1 plus sin theta into root of 1 minus sin theta. So now I am going to apply this value in the place of this cos theta. Okay. Therefore, which is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta value. I already found that root of 1 plus sin theta into root of 1 minus sin theta. Is it? So if we see here, so this didn't have root. So we know that 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5. Similarly, this can be written as 1 plus sin theta can be written as root of 1 plus sin theta into root of 1 plus sin theta. So just apply these two values in the place of 1 plus sin theta. So if I apply that, therefore this equation becomes root of 1 plus sin theta into root of 1 plus sin theta divided by root of 1 plus sin theta into root of 1 minus sin theta. Root of 1 plus sin theta, root of 1 plus sin theta get cancelled. So, which is equal to root of 1 plus sin theta divided by root of 1 minus sin theta. So, they have given in question sin theta is equal to 21 plus 21 by 29. So, just apply this value in the place of sin theta here. Therefore, root of 1 plus what? 21 divided by 29 divided by root of 1 minus 21 divided by 29. So, I am going to take LCM both sides. Therefore, root of 29 plus 21 which is equal to 50. So, therefore, 50 divided by 29. Similarly, here 29 minus 21 which is equal to 8. So, therefore, root of 8 divided by 29. So, this can be written as root 50 divided by root 29. So, if this will move this side, this get reciprocal. Therefore, into root 29 divided by root 8. So, root 29 get cancelled. So, we will get as root of 50 divided by root of 8. So, the root of 50 can be written as, so I need one year square term. So, 25 into 2, I will get 50. Similarly, 8, 4 into 2, I will get 8. So, this can be written as root 25 into root 2 divided by root 4 into root 2. This root 2 get cancelled. So, root 25 is equal to 5 and root 4 is equal to 2. So, I will get answer as 5 by 2. Therefore, the answer for this question is 5 by 2. That's it. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 5 by 2. So, practice twice or thrice and continue practice, you will make a perfect. So, try it and learn clearly without any mistake and write clearly each and every step, then you will get the perfect solutions. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.